I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing Safari so private mode works as intended. Make sure Safari is updated, then close or save any active windows. Once ready, open Safari and press CMD plus Shift plus N or choose File, right arrow New Private Window. You'll see a darker Smart Search field which signals private browsing. This creates an isolated window that won't save browsing history, search records, or visited sites to your local history. Follow these first steps to immediately start a session without extra setup. Once inside a private window, open tabs for each site you want to visit. Each tab remains confined to that Windows session. Make sure you understand the distinction. Downloads still land in your Downloads folder and bookmarks persist, but history, search suggestions, and cookies aren't saved to Safari's normal profile. Also note that autofill is reduced and many extensions are disabled to protect privacy. Use private mode for tasks like one-off logins, quick research, or testing without altering your main browser state. To finish, simply close the private window. Safari discards cookies, history, and other session data associated with that window immediately. If you created downloads or bookmarks you don't want, remove them manually after closing. If something goes wrong, private windows won't open or data seems to persist. Restart Safari, disable suspect extensions, and confirm Safari and Mac OS are up to date. These troubleshooting steps usually resolve issues while maintaining the privacy benefits you expected from private browsing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.